Now the all I give this corn. Yes, come and let's eat the corn. आज वाले उड़े बैठे. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Let's go eat corn. Let's go eat corn. I think so. They have before food and one relaxing inside. I will show you. Oh my god, see here, relaxing. Oh my god, they're relaxing. See backside. Yeah. Also, they have a baby rabbit. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, one inside also relaxing. Yes, come. We have a yummy food. Come. Yes. Yummy food. If someone like my corn food, yeah, this baby eat corner food. Let's go. We have a two corn food eating. Yes. Very good. Now is coming one more. If one more coming, then one more coming. You understand? Because there have a lot of rabbit, and here relaxing. Yeah. And see, now is coming one more. If interesting. Now is coming more. Yes, let's go, Baba. Let's go. Eat my corn. Oh, baby, let's go eat my corn. Yes. Now, yeah. Now many baby eat corn. Very yummy corn. Eat corn. Rabbit eat corn. Rabbit, come have a fun. Eat corn. Rabbit, come. Now is a big rabbit resting. It is coming also. Need a corn. Yummy rabbit corn. Now I have a lot of rabbit. Also there someone relaxing. See, they are relaxing. I think so, they don't know. Oh, one more coming. Oh, let's eat corn. There have a one also relaxing. Oh, come Baba, come. Eat corn. Come, all rabbit eat corn. Come, rabbit eat corn. Yummy corn. Come, rabbit eat corn. Rabbit Baba eat corn. Oh, let's go eat corn, baby. Yes. See the red eyes. White rabbit have a red eyes. Eat corn. Yummy rabbit eat corn. Oh, why you relaxing? Come and eat food. We have a yummy corn. Okay, no come. It's depend on you. If you no come, then is no problem. Don't eat my hand, okay? Just eat corn, okay? Remove and fresh corn eat. Understand? We don't give the old corn. We give you the fresh corn. Understand? Fresh corn, you remove yourselves. Oh, one by one piece corn, like a popcorn. Understand? Popcorn coming from the corn. Everyone like corn. Yeah, there is sound coming also. Tick. They eating and sound coming. Tick. Oh, my hand also looking something else. Come. Today no like too much corn. Understand? I don't know why, because every day all rabbit coming and eat corn. Today I don't know why not all coming. Okay guys, next time we will show you the next video. Please like, subscribe my channel. If someone like my video, then give me the happiness with the like or comment something if you need. What I do with the rabbit, like play, then I will do make for you video. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.